Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to use the BeeBot Emulator for Mrs. Malcho's assignment for the week of April 27th. Right now I'm in my Google Classroom under the kindergarten and I'm in the stream. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the classwork tab and I'm going to look for the Coding Words with BeeBot number 2 assignment. When I click on the assignment, it opens up and it says that I have to click on the attached document, I have to read the directions, and then I have to click turn in when I'm done. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that document, and there's more directions within the document. Number 1 says first to watch my video that explains how to use the emulator, and I'm going to go ahead, that's the video you're watching right now. Number 2 is go to the BeeBot Emulator website. Okay, number 3 says to select your mat, which is to choose the CVC words mat. Number 4 says to follow the given algorithms below and then write down the CVC words that BeeBot lands on by looking at each picture. Number 1 is done for you. You're to complete numbers 2 through 6. And you'll see that there's a total of 6 algorithms that you have to follow. If you're not sure what CVC words are, number 5 gives you a link to a YouTube video that you can watch with your child. So we're going to do number 1. I'm going to be doing the algorithm with the arrows in the orange square for number 1. It says forward, 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 right, and up, forward. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the website to get to the emulator. And I want to change the mat. See where it says select your mat? You're going to go ahead and choose the one that says CVC words mat. Okay, you're going to see that BeeBot has a different start position. You're going to also see lots of pictures. Okay, so just so you get an idea of what some of these CVC words are, you have a hut, H-U-T, hut. You have a rat, R-A-T. You have a jet, J-E-T. You have a shark with the pointing to the fin, which is F-I-N. So those are just examples of what CVC words are. And if you can't tell what a picture is, you can always message me and I'll help you out. Okay, so the first algorithm, I'm going to go back to the assignment. The first algorithm said to put in was forward, 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 turn right, and forward. So it's 3 forward. So I'm going to go ahead and put the algorithm in forward, 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 turn right, and then forward. So I'm going to click on go and see where BeeBot lands. So he's following the algorithm by going forward, forward, forward. He's going to turn right, and he's going forward. You'll see that he lands on the picture of the cat. So that's why I wrote down in the box C-A-T, because that's the CVC word for that algorithm. Your job is to now go into the next box for number 2, follow the algorithm that says right, forward, forward. Make sure when you go back to the emulator that you click the X to clear the last algorithm and you click on the green house to tell BeeBot to go back to the start position. If you don't tell him to go back to the start position, you're not going to land on the correct picture that I assigned. So then you would put in the next algorithm. If you have to go back to the assignment to look, you can go back. My suggestion would maybe to draw the arrows on paper for your child. That might make it easier. This one is right, forward, forward. So I would put in the algorithm right, forward, forward, and then I would click on go to see where BeeBot lands. And then I would go back to my document and write in the 3 letters for the CVC word for the picture that he landed on. Once you complete numbers 1 through 6, you're going to click on the turn in button on the top right. Have fun with this assignment. If your child wants to keep coding with BeeBot to land on different pictures, let him. It's a fun activity and it will help him practice sounding out words. Thank you. Have a great day.